Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the scan function on the Zara application, meaning that you can search for products by scanning the QR code. First, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the search bar icon that you can find down below. It's the second option. Then in the middle of the screen you can see that you have 4 options if you want to search for an item. Now tap on the scanner icon and now scan the QR code in order to find the product. As you can see, we have found our dress with the help of this scanner and the QR code. So it's a really helpful function on the Zara application that you can choose anytime. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.